here is how you will use your Aeropress. Step 1. Add up to 20 grams of freshly ground coffee, medium grind around the same coarseness as brown sugar. Step 2. Add 100 milliliters of water, left off the boil for 2 minutes and leave this to bloom for 30 seconds. Step 3. Fill up the Aeropress to the top, do not stir it, and then attach the filter and leave for another 90 seconds. Step 4. Put the funnel on top, hold it in place, and flip the Aeropress onto your server or mug. Press the plunger down for over 30 seconds, stopping when you hear air hissing through the bottom. Step 6. Remove the Aeropress, serve and enjoy your coffee.